Before I begin a construction, I like to configure my drawing space. First thing I'm going to do is remove the axes. You do that by right-clicking and uncheck the axis box, and it gives you a blank drawing slate. In order to create an angle, the first thing you need to do is go to your toolbar and select the point button, then create 3 points on your drawing pad. Once you have your 3 points, go back to your toolbar and under the line, drop the box down, select line segment, create line segments between the 3 points to create an angle. You do that by clicking on one point and then going and clicking on the next point. Now we have line segment A. Repeat that again for the next line segment. And now you have created angle ABC. To measure the angle, go back to the toolbar and select the angle tool. To measure the angle, you must click on the points in a clockwise direction. Once the angle is measured, go back and get your move arrow. You can then move the measurement out some. We can also, by right-clicking, change the color of the angle. Select Object Properties. Select any color you would like. Close. You can now see the angle a little bit better. If you would like to increase the font size of your picture, go to Options, down to Font Size, and select the font you would like. Makes it a little easier to view your drawing. If you do not like the size of your angle, you can resize the angle by clicking on the vertex and dragging it. Click on any of the points, drag the point to where you like, and you can change the angle measurement. Now we're going to create an angle with a specific measurement. I'm going to start with a new drawing pad. So hit File, New. If you'd like to save your drawing, then do so. In this case, I don't want to. So I'm going to start with 2 points. Then I'm going to make a line segment. So I'm going to go back to the line tool and hit Select Segment. To create an angle with a specific measurement, you only need 2 points. Now go back to the Angle tool, open that toolbox, and select Angle with a given size. If you notice, next to the toolbox, it gives directions on how to do this. So we're going to select a leg point. I'm going to select A. Then I'm going to select a vertex. That's going to be point B. Then it pulls up a box to put in your angle measure. When you do this, make sure you leave the degrees symbol. If you do not, you will not get the angle that you would like. I would like to make a right angle, so I'm going to put in 90 degrees and hit OK. If you notice, it has put the 90-degree angle there. Now to make the other ray of the angle, I'll go back to points, and I'm going to put a point about where 90 degrees is. Then I'm going to grab a line segment. I'm going to connect the line segment from point B, the vertex, to C. Go back and grab my move, and I'm going to line that new line segment up with the angle box. You can actually send it through the point the computer put to ensure that you've made the right angle with it. We now have created a 90-degree angle. If you don't like this extra A prime, go over to your algebra box and click on the A prime. What that does is that unselects it. You have now created a 90-degree angle.